Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'll talk about a Trump USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in. All right, guys. I'm not surprised, and take a look where we stopped. So all this zone after listing, I mentioned basically in January 2025. So we stop it exactly almost till penny. We stop it at 78 level by FIB, $7.27 because we use initiation accumulation pump model. This model I highly recommend you go and check how to work with on free educational channel, or type the educational hashtag in the free Telegram channel, Crypto for Light. You will find all these posts. So guys, also I explained to you, no makes sense to buy here, to buy here, to buy here, anywhere. This block, it was like, okay, a zone for trades to buy like a swing trades, Here, we stop it, bounce at 50%, exactly 50%. It was a good entry, exit. Second leverage, you get 100% profit. It's a bad deal? Guys, it's a good deal. The question only is the size of initial deposit. People always complain, so no, the token so boring, the token not pumped, this cycle are so bad. The problem with the size of initial deposit, if you trade with a, $100 and your profit 100% with the second leverage, it's a double X, it's a $200 profit. It looks like nothing, right? That's why the people open the trades and they wait 100 10x, 1000% gains or whatever, right? It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird because now we got an institutional, and the crypto don't have to pump just because it's a crypto. About a Trump, I don't think so. This token, it's a scam. I don't think so. Either the Trump have some idea for this token. No, I think it's going to be like, you remember the story with the Dogecoin and the Tesla. They all the time announcement that, oh, now you can buy some goods, some souvenirs with Dogecoin. Who cares about it? So guys, it's just the media introduced this option like something special. It's nothing special, guys. It's just a pure speculation. Also, why we can drop much lower, for example, to $5.28 and even invalidate this idea. So this is okay zone for speculation. This is okay zone for speculation. Targets to fix a profit is $33.24, $35.66, $45, and new all-time high. 1, 2, 3. Open space. Nobody know where this token will stop. Everybody waiting $100 for Trump. But people forgot this token traded way before. Not way before. Just a day before again, or two. Before the centralized exchanges listed this token. That's why, guys, yes, it's official token from the Trump, but now he not chilling this token. Maybe when he needs some not votes, when he needs some attention from people, in the United States, maybe he will do something. He will say something about the Trump token. But guys, better build the conservative price targets, right? And fix the profit step by step. Safety trade, 100% profit. Withdraw initial deposit on spot and sleep well. Invalidation of idea if the Trump token will drop under $1.52. So just in case. 528, 727, it's still was a good zone for accumulation on a spot. For example, you're buying at 6, you fix it 12 out, 100%. Forget about this token. It was a free token, so you can ride to the swing trade zone to fix profit. We build the order flow. This order flow, this order flow, this order flow, this order flow. Sooner or later, we will see or like this move or like this move. We can't know. Nobody know the time, guys. But we build a good order flow. This one. But you remember the Starknet and Aeva. We can see even the move like this one. Open space, trade long-term period here, and after that bounce. We can't know, guys. We can't know the timing, but we can work with the zones. And we always can add just the stop losses. It's even on the spot, guys. So I don't know why the people not use stop losses if they're not sure what they're doing. Maybe they invest too much. That money what they can't afford to lose because that money they need for a living. Monthly. So what can I say? We stop it here. So basically, yeah, we got like tiny, not format, tiny gap, like fulfill 11.15. So yes, maybe the May will be sub rifle. We can't know. We can't know. Bullish is here. 989 is a fulfill. There is nothing. And here is a fulfill is 25.76. So that's it. So this is a logical zones, you know. Take a look, guys, with my customer cassette. And in educational purpose, guys, I highly recommend you go and check the first video about a Trump token after leasing, especially. Market mode on the weekly still apria. Direction ADT, no data. Daily, here, it was a still distribution. Take a look. We dump it from $77. We dump it and still in March at $12, it was a crazy distribution zone on the daily. Now is a good time for accumulation. It was like 7.39. Now it's 8.28. But we can form the variance. You remember, we can form the variance. If this is not a real bottom, we can form something like this one till end of end of April, for example, and after that just bounce. We will see. No data, nothing about the direction indicator. Market smooth, still here is a disbelief, depression, capitulation. So it's good, it's good, it's good. But I skip Trump. Why I skip Trump? So guys, first of all, it's a big capitalization. Second one, imagine if you buy even now. So at this block is going to be 357% profit. Just the Voxel, in 2 days showed 237%. So a lot of tokens, much more underrated than Trump token. For example, the Aevo. I'm not showing you any of tokens, but just think about it. So Razor invests in Trump now at 8.26 with a hypothetical dump lower because some people hold the bags and wait the potential 357%. Or you can invest, for example, in Aevo at 9 when the all-time low is 7 cents. With potential targets around, I don't know, at least 50 cents, $1. It's more than possible. If it's not a pure scam or Starknet, we can't know. Guys, all of this talking is just a pure speculation, nothing more, and nothing special. Money power, guys, here. Somebody accumulated here. $10 accumulation, $7 accumulation. So let's say the average entry is 8. At 16, they could fix a profit. So 16, it can be here. So just be careful, guys. I skip this token. Money power on the weekly. I guess there is no data, nothing. Trade on the weekly, no data. Daily, here was a signal to buy. Tiny one signal to buy at 7.22. Now nothing. And last indicator, guys, is take profit. Yes, we test set. Here we dump it under from a volume. Here, the buy line now it's 9.95. Take profit, it's 19.68. Weekly time frame, no data because just a brand new token. Here, what I talk about, we can drop again to the buy line. It's going to be $6.26. The buy line on the 12 time frame. For the value of this token on the 12 time frame, $5 round number. Take profit, it's 13.26. So we need to see something like. So this is a. Let's say this is a break of structure. We need to see something like this one. Retest and go higher. Even maybe retest $7, form the double bottom and go higher. The target will be exactly around here. So guys, all targets relevant, all zones relevant. I highly recommend you watch an education purpose. So the first video about Trump token. What the education video about indexation accumulation pump model, how to work with, and if you'd like to trade with my customer cassette, what I showed in this video is right, Miriam. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.